I was rushing home to try to show you some things that I purchased for the garden, and we have an issue. Hi, I'm Healy. Welcome to my channel, and welcome to a Backyard Shenanigans unboxing video. Thank you for joining me in today's video. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. I have garden content, I have natural hair content, I have electric vehicle content, and I have some of everything in between. But today's video is about the garden. I went to my local discount grocery store. It's called Grocery Outlet, and I had seen these items in the store for probably like over the past month. And every time I went, the selection and the variety of the selection was less and less. And today I said, you know what? I'm gonna make that purchase. I have a lot of vegetables growing in my garden, and I also have a few fruit trees, but I wanted to expand the berries. I purchased an Ebony King blackberry bare root. This is GMO free. It says 1 bare root, 2 year. Full sun, garden fresh berries, easy to grow, healthy and delicious. And it says right here, y'all, it says guaranteed to grow. Harvest early season, prefers full sun, grows 3 to 5 feet high. Now that was interesting to me, and I was like, okay, 3 to 5 feet high, I can manage that. These are gonna be going in 5-gallon buckets, so hopefully that's enough space for them to grow to the potential to bear fruit. I also purchased the Brandywine raspberry, and this says the same thing, 1 bare root, 2 year, full sun garden berries, guaranteed to grow. I like raspberries, so. And here is another bare fruit that I got from Grocery Outlet, but do y'all see something missing? Do you see something missing on here? You see something missing? The bare root, it broke off. It broke off right sometime between the time I had it in the car and I pulled it out the car, out the front seat, y'all, and it broke. So, but I was looking at this, y'all, and I don't know if the camera gonna zoom on this. I don't know if this, let's see, I don't know if this is the end that broke or if this is the end that broke. But y'all, both of these ends, it doesn't look like a fresh snap or break. It looked like this might have been like broke and just stuck in here. I don't know. But I am going, y'all, I'm gonna take some tape. Maybe, you know, because maybe I could repair it. Hopefully it doesn't need this to grow, because there should still be, you know, a branch, root, stalk, stem, trunk, whatever still in here. Hopefully I'm not gonna be able to bring it back to the store, y'all, because it broke after I bought it, allegedly. I hope that it wasn't already broken, and I'm gonna have to look in here and, you know, see what the deal is. These were only $8 a piece, so, you know, if I have to, I'll go back to the store. They have plenty of these left, so I might have to go back to the store and get another one. But this is the bad news, y'all. All right, let me show you what else I got. And then I also got some Ozark Beauty strawberries. And this is in this pouch, but as you can see, it says 10, oh wait, the glare. It's 10 bare roots per pouch. And if you think about it, when you buy the strawberries at like the big box stores and stuff like that, or they sell a plant in, you know, the little square planters, you get maybe like 1 or 2 fruit. And I just went to a big box store where I picked up some other stuff I'm about to show y'all, and they had, it was like two strawberry plants for, some of them was, I think, $7.98. They had some in kind of like the tall pots for $12.98, but I got 10 of these and this was $5. So hopefully these Ozark Beauties grow. 10 bare root, full sun garden fresh, easy to grow. Now, this one don't say guaranteed. Hold up, y'all. This one don't say guaranteed. It says the height is 8 to 10 inches. I could deal with that. So we'll see. I went to my local big box store, the orange one, and I got these things. I have always wanted to grow grapes, y'all. I have always wanted to have my own grapes. So these are the Thompson seedless grapes, GMO free, full sun, height as pruned, harvest late season, grow your own fruit, fresh, healthy, and delicious. It says edible, grow your own produce. And you can see right here is one plant, one root. And these were $9.98. It's a 2-year root. I don't see no guarantee to grow on this one either. But they have the directions on the back that tell you exactly what you need to do. This one does have a healthy system and some leaves starting to grow. I checked to see if they had any like bugs or whatever on them. I didn't see any, but what I want to make sure is that there's no aphids. I didn't see any aphids. Y'all know for the first time I have aphids in my backyard. I'm trying some stuff to just, you know, get rid of them. I can't have them. But they still in there, y'all. They still in there. And the last thing I got was another grape, and this is the Mars seedless grape. I got this, and same thing, 2-year, 1 per pack, $9.98. These are the fruits that I got: 2 grapes, 2 raspberries, and a blackberry. Y'all, but I'm gonna end this video right now because for real, I'm gonna take this tape and this, and we're gonna see what to put together, y'all. But for real, I'm looking at this honestly. I'm not gonna lie to you. And this, I don't know. Let's see. If you could tell, y'all, this end right here and this end right here, neither one of these look like, you know, a fresh break. They both look kind of old and dried up and dull to me. So I don't know. I mean, worst case scenario, I'm out of $8, and if I really want this, I'll go buy another one. It's a good deal. Of course, you know, waste not, want not. I don't like to waste a penny, let alone $7.99. But we'll see. Maybe I could get my little repairs, y'all. And y'all, but let me know, is anybody growing bare root fruit or plants or trees or whatever? Have you purchased any like bare root strawberries? Or they also had onions, they had potatoes, I believe they also had garlic. I'm not interested in any of those. Like I said, I'm trying to get fruits, and y'all know the strawberries that I have, they like 3 years old. It's time to get some more strawberries. So I have 10 bare roots here. Even if I can get half of them to germinate and produce strawberries, I'll be good to go. These will go in a 15-gallon bucket that the old ones are in. I'm just gonna take them all out, hopefully, y'all. I don't know, I might transfer those to a 5-gallon bucket and keep them. They still green, y'all, and they still got strawberries growing on them, and y'all know I can't, if it's green, I can't do it. I can't do it. Let me know if you are growing any bare root fruit, vegetable, herb, you know, whatever. Let me know if you're doing the bare root thing this season. Give me some tips and tricks. Let me know the best, you know, way to do. This is gonna be my first experience with bare root, with these, with raspberries, blackberries, and grapes. I haven't done those before, and my plan is very simple. That red, black, and white trash garden soil, y'all. It's still soaking wet, so it's gonna be hard for me to sift, but I'm gonna mix that, some perlite, just a little bit of fertilizer, because I think I read on here, let's see, yeah, see, it says do not fertilize until growth has appeared. But y'all know I'm probably still gonna put like a little fertilizer in the bottom, like some 555, you know, just hit it up with maybe like a, I don't know, like a half a handful, y'all, about 50 cents, and just put a little bit down in there at the bottom, like way below where I put the plant in the pot, because I'm using 5-gallon buckets, but I'm not gonna, you know, put the plant all the way touching the bottom. So I'm gonna put the fertilizer closer to the bottom, fill it up with some soil, you know, dig my little trench, put the plant in there, and then fill in with the rest of the soil. I do have my soldering iron. I'm gonna put holes around the bucket, probably about maybe a ½ inch to 1 inch up, because at some point I know this rain is gonna stop. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, share this video, share my playlist, and share my channel with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.